Hello everyone, welcome back to Risha Education. So, we have already discussed the last two parts of the Joseph Gallion chapter 1 solution. So, now we will be heading towards the third part of our video, which is in which we were covering question number 11 to question number 15. So, let's see all the questions. And if you want to see the previous parts, you can go and check out in the description. The link is there and you can see all those videos along with the description of the whole chapter is also there. Okay, so let's see the solution of this question. So what it says, suppose that A, B, C are elements of a dihedral group. Now if this is a rotation or a reflection, so we have to find that given this is a rotation or a reflection. So first of all, A can be rotation or reflection. Similarly with the B and C, it can be rotation or reflection, rotation or reflection. Okay. Now what we have to do is, in the previous video, we have discussed about considering rotation as 1 and reflection as -1. So after putting this, we can analyze whether if the whole multiplication comes -1, then it will be reflection. And if the whole multiplication comes 1, then the complete series that is showing here of rotation and reflections will be rotation if it comes 1. Okay. Now, so if you put, suppose, so let's see. So if you will see, it's a c to the power 5, a cube and c, then this will be a to the power 6. I'm just considering a because 1 times -1 or -1 times 1 is the same. So both commutes, that's why we can do this. So a to the power 6, b to the power 4 and c to the power 6 again. Okay. So now whether A is rotation or reflection, A to the power 6 will give 1. Similarly, B to the power 4 will give 1 and C to the power 6 will give 1. So the complete solution, which A square, B to the power 4, A, C to the power 5, A cube C, will always be 1. That is, it will always be rotation. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you now. Okay. Next, move on to the second question. So this is the second question. Now, which letter of the alphabet written in uppercase block style have a symmetric group with 4 elements? Okay. So we have to find those elements, those who have 4 symmetries. Okay. Like in square, we have 8 symmetries. Why we have 8 symmetries? Because we have R0, R90, R180 and R270. So 4 rotation and we have 4 reflection, which we say as H, V, D and D dash. Okay. So now let's move on to the letters. We have A. Now if you see A, it has some symmetries. It has R0 and the only symmetries is just flipping over the one. So it has vertical symmetry. Similarly for B, if you see, it has horizontal symmetry and R0, nothing else. So if you keep on going like this and if you arrive something like H, then let's see what happens to H. Rest you find out whether it is there or not, but I will be focusing on H. So if you see H, it has R0 symmetry, R180 symmetry, because if you turn it around with 180 degree, it will remain the same. So it will be R180. Next, it has horizontal symmetry, which we can write as H. And next, it has vertical symmetry because along this line you can see both flipping and remaining the same. So H has all these 4 possibility. Now you can similarly find one alphabet which is similar to H, that is I. It is very similar to H, because H, just flip it with 90 degree, you will arrive at I. So I will also be following all the symmetries of this. So R0, R180, H and V. Why? Because you can see along this line and along this line. Okay. None of the other symmetries are available. And similarly, if you move ahead, you can say with the O and with the X, you can find it yourself. These also have the same symmetries along like this. And for the rest of the things, you can find either one symmetry or no symmetry, or you just categorize everything like which has more symmetries, which has less symmetries. So next question. So we have question number 20, question number 13 as find elements A, B, C in D4 such that AB is equals to BC, but we have to find something A is not equals to C. So you have read the Galilean, the theory of the book. So from the theory of the book, you have also seen the Cayley table. So in the Cayley table, you can easily distinguish and see the answer. So you find it yourself. I am just giving one example. Consider B is equals to D. Then we know that HD is equals to DV, but here H is not equals to V. Okay, you find because what happens? So in D4 it is written. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will be going through two ways. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in first we have to do HD. So first of all we will do D. So HD will gives just we have to fix the D and we have to switch it. So it's 2, 4, 3 and 1. And then we have to do H. So ultimately H is just horizontally flipping. So when we flip horizontally, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now similarly with this, we will first do V because we have to do DV. So when we will do V, it's vertically flipping. So it will be 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now we have to do D, the diagonal flipping. And ultimately it will give 4, 2, 1 and 3. So you can see both are equal, but this is not equal. H and V are not equal. So this is a example you can give, and you can also find some other example as well. Write in the comment if you find such. Next. So explain what of the following diagram proves about the group DN. So we have just saw about D4 that we went towards two different sides and we arrive at two different sides. Okay, but here it's something different. Here we did H and D and we did D and V, but here it's a quite different stage. Here this and this is same, this and this is same, as you can notice, but still we are getting different results. Okay, so here what I can say that AB is not equals to BA. Okay, there it was AB equals to uh, BC. Okay, it was AB equals to BC or something, I think. Yeah, it was same. AB equals to BC. And we saw that A is not equals to C. And here we are showing something different because we are first applying F. We are flipping. So while flipping, we fixed this angle and just flipped it around. So 2 goes to N and N goes to 2. So we arrived at this. And after this, we are doing R of 360 upon N. That is, we are doing just a one rotation. So after one rotation, what happens? 1 comes to 2, 2 goes to 3. Similarly, N goes to 1 and N minus 1 comes to N. So we arrived at this. But here what we did? Firstly, we did the rotation. So what happened after rotation? Obviously, same thing will happen. 1 go to 2, 2 goes to 3. Means like just counterclockwise we just moved ahead. So 1 goes to N, 2 goes to 3 and all such, because here it is written 1 2 3 in clockwise, but we are moving anti-clockwise, so that's why it is like this. And after F, what we get is 1 2 3, because while F we are fixing 2 and just flipping other. So 1 will go to 3, 3 will go to 1. Similarly, 2 will go to, yeah, I think 1 2 3. So 4 will go to N will go to 4, and similarly all the things will happen. and it is giving this, and you can see that both are not equal. So here we can say that dn is not abelian, or we can say instead of abelian we can say dn does not commute. Okay, this is better word to use. dn does not commute. We have already seen in previous video, but still I am describing it properly. So dn does not commute is the thing that the question was asking to find from you. Okay, so the last question is 15 number. Describe the symmetries of non-square rectangle. So what is non-square rectangle? You have to take rectangle. Okay, but it should not be square because every square is a rectangle. So we have to consider only that rectangle which is not square. So for that, what we are doing, we have to first find the symmetries. So what will be the symmetries? You can easily see that for the symmetries, you can see it will be R0, of course. Then it will be R90 will not be the case because if we do just R90, it will be something like this. This is R90, which is not equals to, so we cannot consider this. But we can consider R180 because it's just flipping around. So R180 can be the case. Now, what can be else? So we can also find H. Horizontally, we can flip it. And vertically also we can flip it. So we will also be there. Else we cannot do anything because after once we will do diagonal, it will be something like this. Similar to like this only. You can see the mirror and see the difference, what is there. But this is not the case actually. So R0, R180, H and V are the required symmetries that we have to find. Okay. Now what it is saying, the first part of the question is this, the answer is. Now the second part of the question simply describes it, construct the corresponding Cayley table. Now we have to make a Cayley table. Okay. So for that, let's make it. Let's make a table. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 cross 5 table. Okay. So here we are writing R0, R180, H, V. Similarly here R0, R180, H, V. So R0 with R0 will give R0. Now you can check because I have already taught you how to find a Cayley table for D3, and you can find similarly in this, and you have also studied for D4 as well. So it's quite simple for you to find. Now R180 and R180 will give you simply R360 which is equals to 0. So it's R0 basically. It is also R0 because I have already said that if we are seeing the reflection have always twice it gives R0. H times H will give R0 and V times V will give R0 again. So now we have to find HR180. So HR180 will give V. You can check this out. Why it will give V? I will just simply show you. So we have a rectangle, just name it 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to simply apply R180. So what is R180? First of all, we have another rectangle. The 1 will go to here, 2 will come to here, 3 will go to here and 4 will go to here. Now we have to apply H over here. So over H we can see horizontally flipping we have to do. It will give 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can see from the original rectangle, it's actually V. So if you do V here, suppose you do it V here, means vertical flipping. So you get 1, 4, 3 and 2. So this combines basically V. Now H180 is V, and similarly you can see it as R180, and V times 180 will give you H, and V times H will give you R180, and this will give you V and this will give you H. So this is the complete Cayley table, and you can also make it by yourself and just see if I am wrong or something like that. Just message me. I will try to cover it up. And if you like the video, please like it, and thanks for watching.